So hello everyone.
Hello.
This is me Nigam. How are you all, everybody?
Fine.
First of all, I would like to thanks to my both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir, for having me this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thanks all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions who all are present here. So let's get started. Today I am having wonderful session, and my wonderful session name is I don't know. So start. So let's get started. You know, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, there is only one thing by which you can make your life. There is only one thing by which you can become everything in your life. There is only one thing by which you can get respect. There is only one thing by which you can get love. There is only one thing. People will ask, how are you? There is only one thing, you know, ladies and gentlemen, people will say you are very good. There is only one thing by which you can become a famous and popular person in your life. There is only one thing, your wife will say you, I love you. There is only one thing by which your wife will admire you. There is only one thing by which your wife will appreciate you. There's only one thing, all people will appreciate you, all people will admire you. You know, ladies and gentlemen, there's only one thing by which you can change your career. There's only one thing by which you can change your future. There's only one thing by which you can change your life. You can improve yourself. There's only one thing by which you can educate yourself in the proper way, in the better way, and in the good way. There's only one thing. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you all know about that thing. There's only one thing by which we are coming here. There's only one thing by which we are eating. There's only one thing by which we are eating. There's only one thing by which we are coming here. There's only one thing. You know, ladies and gentlemen, there's only one thing by which we are learning something. There's only one thing by which we are studying. There's only one thing by which we are going to school. There's only one thing by which we are eating. We are feeding our stomach because of one thing. You know, ladies and gentlemen, guess with whom am I talking about? Could you just tell me? With whom am I talking about? Could you just tell me, ladies and gentlemen? With whom am I talking about? Guess.
What am I talking about?
What am I talking about? Guess.
Cylinder.
Yes, tell me. Yeah, you can. Carry on.
What kind of gas?
You know, ladies and gentlemen, there's only one thing who can improve yourself. I am speaking English here because of one thing. The reason is that our money. I'm talking about only money. Money is very important. One is vital. One is essential. One is indispensable in a whole life. In our entire life, only money matters. If money is there, everything is there. Your money is there. You are here. You are walking. You are talking. You are coming. You are going. You are playing because of the money. You are eating food because of the money. You can buy an aeroplane if you have money. You don't have money. You are kachara. You are kachara. If you don't have money, you are nalla. People will say you nalla. Why? Because you don't have money. You are very poor. People will say you that. You are nalla in the mohalla. The reason is that you don't have money. You are very poor. You are very impactless person. Because of money. Because of lacking of money, people will, disrespect you. People will humiliate you. People will say you that you are nothing. People will not talk to you if you don't have money. Just think, just imagine, if you're going in the party, if someone has invited you in their wedding, if someone has invited you in their, birthday party, if you're going in the party with torn clothes, you are going in the party. At that time, they will not give you respect. At that time, they will ask from you that from where did you come? They will ask from you, everybody, that from where did you come in the party? If you are going with coat, if you are going with shoes, if you are going with chasma, if you are going with ghari, so then they will, admire you. Then they will observe you that he is looking so beautiful. She is looking so beautiful. He is looking so handsome. He is looking so smart. Because of the money, people will observe you. Because of the money, people will, just talk to you. Because of the money, people will walk. People will talk to you when you have money. If you don't have money, so you are nothing in front of the people. People will say you illiterate. People will say you uneducated. When you don't have money. If you want to make any friends, girls is running behind the boy. Girls are running behind the boy because of the money. There is no real love. You know, everybody. If you have car, if you have watch, if you have house, then girls will also come. Automatically, girls will come behind you. Girls will say you are looking so handsome. Girls will say you are looking so smart. Girls will say you, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking like a American, girls will say you. When you have money, girls will love with you when you have money. When you are rich, when you have everything, then girls will also admire you. Then girls will say you, I love you. When girls will say you, I love you, the reason is that money. When you have money, that girls will talk to you. Otherwise, girls will disrespect you. Girls will not make friendship with you. The reason is that you don't have money, you're very poor, you're in backwardness. At that time, girls will not run behind you. Everybody in this generation, what is happening? Because of the money, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming here. We are coming here. We are learning, we are speaking, we are talking, we are walking because of the money. Money is there, so we are here. Money is there, so we are here. Otherwise, we are nalla in our mohalla. If we don't have money, so we are nalla in our mohalla. Did you get or not, everybody? Am I saying right or wrong? Right or wrong? Okay, so I'm just talking about money. Money is that thing by which you can change your life. Money is that thing by which you can change the world. People are becoming rich day by day because of the money. They're getting famous because of the money. Shahrukh Khan has, a lots of money. That's why he is rich. Ambani is there because of the money. We know the Ambani. He is the Mukesh Ambani. The reason is that Ambani has a lots of money. Ambani is crorepati. That's why we know that Ambani is there. If Ambani is poor, so we will not say that he is Ambani. He is rich, that's why we are saying Ambani. If I am not rich, so anyone is not saying me Ambani. The reason is that money. Money. I would like to speak one side. Listen to me carefully and attentively. ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता तू कैसा है, ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता तू कैसा है. दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर लड़की मिलेगी तुझे, दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत लड़की मिलेगी तुझे जब तेरे जेब में पैसा है. So everybody, because of the money, all is happening. Because of the money, girls are coming. Because of the money, just friendship is happening just because of the money. There is no real love. If you are thinking, guys, that there is real love, so you are thinking wrong. There is no real love. Girls is coming behind you. Girls is loving with you because of the money. You have money, you are Armani, you are crorepati, you are rich. Then girls will also come you. Then girls will say you are looking so handsome and smart, babu. Like girls will say you when you have money. So that's why I would like to say you that in this generation, love doesn't matter. We are able to educate ourselves because of the money. Because money is there, we are educating ourselves. We are becoming brilliant, intelligent person in our life. Because of the money, ladies and gentlemen, all is happening just because of the money. We have money, so we are everything. Like we have money, so we are becoming intelligent. We are speaking English. We are coming here. We are studying. We are writing because of the money. Just think, you will not pay tuition fees. You will not pay school fees. So your teacher will not teach you because you don't have money. And you have money. If you have money, so you can educate yourself in the proper way, in the better way, in the good way. The reason is that you have money. You have money, ladies and gentlemen. You have money, I have money, he has money, she has money. We all have money. That's why we are coming here. That's why we are learning English. That's why we are speaking English. That's why we are improving ourselves because of the money. Because we have money, then we are coming here, we are learning, we are improving, we are speaking, we are talking, we are improving. The reason is that money. You have money? You have money? You have money? We all have money. That's why we are coming here. We are looking so handsome. We are looking so handsome because of the money. We like here, so many girls are come with makeups. Some girls are here. They come with makeups because of the money. They, they make their makeups because of the money. They are putting makeups on the face because of the money. And so many girls are looking so beautiful. So many girls are looking outstanding, amazing, and remarkable because of the money. Because they have put makeups. Because of the makeup, they are looking so beautiful. Because they have money. Lipstick is there. Foundation is there. So many, so mascara is there, perfume is there, eyeliner is there, lipstick is there, sindoor is there, and so many cosmetics are there. They are coming here because of the money. They have put it so many makeups. Girls has come here so many makeups because of the money. They have money, so they are coming here and just they are looking so beautiful. We are thinking that she is looking very beautiful, but in the reality, she is not beautiful. In the reality, girls are not beautiful. I have seen so many girls are there. They always keep on going in the wedding with makeups, and they think I am only in the world. Like me, anyone is not here because of the makeups. They have attitude. Guys, money is most important in this generation. Money is vital. Money is essential. Money is indispensable in this generation. In your whole life, in your entire life, what matters? Money matters. If you are going to get married with some girls, that girls will observe your money. You have money or not? You have car or not? You have house or not? First of all, they will observe your status. They will observe your status that you have money or not, you have car or not, you have house or not, you are doing good job or not. It matters there. Because of the money, she will just get married with you. When you have money, so you are everything. When you have money, you are everything. Otherwise, you are nothing in front of the people, in front of the man, in front of the everyone. You are nothing. You are nothing, everybody. You know, guys, we are able to walk. We are just eating food, then we are walking. We are eating food, then we are speaking. Because of the money. Energy is coming. I am also speaking because of the money. Because I am eating food, then energy is coming inside me. Then I am able to speak English because of the money. Because of the everybody.
Money.
Speak together, everybody, because of the
Money.
Speak loudly, everybody, because of the
Money.
Because of the money, we are coming here. We are speaking. I am also able to speak English because of the money. I am learning English. I am paying tuition fees. I am paying school fees. That's why I am speaking English. Suraj ki sister is there. Because of the money, this institute is running. This institute is running. The reason is that money. The reason is that money. Because of the money, this institute is running. This institute is getting famous day by day because of money. Because we have money, so we are dhani. Do you get or not, everybody? If we have money, so you know, if you have real wealth, so all will ask, how are you? If you don't have real wealth, all will ask, who are you? Anyone will not talk to you. Anyone will not ask that, how are you? Anyone will not ask from you that, did you eat food or not at that time? The reason is that money. So everybody, I would like to say money says, I would like to say one thing. Money says that today you will save me. Today you will save me, and in your upcoming generation, I will save your life. Money says this line. Money says this line, everybody. Today you will save me, and in your upcoming generation, I will save your life. Money says this line. So I would like to say to you all, save money for your generation. Save money for your upcoming generation. Save money for your upcoming movement. Because when you will get ill, if you have money, so you can save your life. You can save your life at the time when you have money. If your doctor is saying to you that you are just about to die. You are just about to die in the hospital at that time. If you have money, so you can save your life at that time, ladies and gentlemen. This is reality or not, everybody? This is reality or not? Tell me, please.
Yes.
This is reality of the people that if you're just about to die at that time, money can save your life. Money can save your career. Money can save your future. Money can save yourself as well as because of the money. You can save your life. You can make your life bright. You can shine like a sun. If you want to shine like a sun, so you should have money. If you have money, so you can shine like a Suraj sun. सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो सूरज की तरह जलना होगा. सही बात है. हाँ, सही बात. And you know, everybody, because of the money, you can shine also. If you want to shine like a sun, so you should have money. You should focus on your education, and in your upcoming generation, you will earn lots of money. And just you will become a rich person. When you will speak English, you can become a rich person. So everybody, I would like to say to you all, I would like to suggest you all, save money for your upcoming generation and just respect your money, value to your money. So thank you so much, everybody. You have been the great spectators. You have been the great audience and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious audience of the day. Baba Tata, see you tomorrow on the same time. Have a nice
First
day.
of all, everybody clap. Nigam. The performance which had been given by Nigam, it was literally fabulous. It was captivating, marvelous. It was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious the way he performed, the way he expounded the things about the money. It was literally nice. Okay, निगम, पहले जब तुम आए थे यहाँ पर तो तुम्हारी आवाज निकलती थी. आवाज भी इसकी सही में सच बताना, किसने देखा था इसकी आवाज निकलती नहीं थी. सानिया, सच बताना, सच. इधर आओ. Just come here.
Speak.
सानिया, सच बताना कि उसकी आवाज कैसी थी. एक्सप्लेन करो.
बहुत गंदी है.
So when I had come first time, so I see him. So at that time, you know, his voice was like that. Like when he was speaking, so at that time, like the voice was like coming like that. Like in neck, there is something like who doesn't let him speak. Like कुछ ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे कुछ फंसा हुआ है. जब बोलता था ना वो, तो वो आवाज ऐसा मतलब थोड़ा दबा आवाज नहीं, वैसे आता था. मतलब ऐसा आवाज आता था कुछ समझ नहीं आता, मतलब एकदम लटपटा सा आवाज ऐसा नहीं आता. वैसे like we are not able to understand what he is saying. But now after like we do debate in this in our institute, like there's many classes, so we do debate and we do like outdoor classes, many classes we do, and in that classes he participates much. And after like while speaking, like he speak more and more, and after this, like you know, एक वॉइस जो होता है ना वो खुल के इसका आया है, like that. And now
इसका इलाज डॉक्टर भी नहीं कर सकता.
yeah,
ये नहीं, सच बताना.
इनके पापा बोलते हैं.
Yes, yeah, you are saying right.
सबके लिए एक लेसन है. सच बताना कि तुम्हारी
So doctor was saying that operation will happen.
हाँ,
Yeah.
सच में है. और शायद इलाज नहीं हो पाता है इसका.
Yes.
ये प्रॉब्लम थी. सच है झूठ है?
This is myth.
सच नहीं.
This is myth, sir.
अच्छा, त्रिशा आप आए थे. हाँ, कम है.
Yes. Really, I am feeling over the moon. Tickling Chapchup is like it.
अच्छा, आप बताओ इसकी जब आपने आवाज वगैरह देखी थी, जिसने देखी है मैं उससे बस थोड़ा सा कि कैसी थी इसकी आवाज.
I think he's not able to speak, and he's not a loud speaker. Like more, he's speaking, and we are not hear also that because their voice is so down, and he can't speak. Also, they are thinking like
He
that.
was not able to speak
Able
in a
to
proper
speak
way.
proper way, and but today he's performed very well, really.
He is speaking in English as well,
Yeah.
but in earlier हिंदी में भी नहीं बोल पाता था. इसका जो शब्द है ना वो निकलता नहीं.
Voice
होता था नहीं होता था. तो मैं वॉइस थेरेपी इसकी हो गई एक तरीके से. वेरी गुड.
Great.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. और किस किसने देखा था इसका आवाज का मूसा? आपने देखा था?